Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove the background from an image here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To remove the background from an image in Adobe Express, you can use its built-in Remove a Background tool because this tool helps you quickly make an image background free, which is very ideal for creating clean designs, adding text or graphics, or placing the image over another background. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project or the design that you're working. If you haven't already, just choose from the thousands of inspiring designs so you can remove the background from an image here. Or if you want to start from scratch and upload your own content, just click this button. But you know what? What you can do is go to the more ways to start and click the view all. There is an easier option if you click the quick actions tab, wherein there is the remove a background tool right here. You can simply drag and drop an image or browse from your computer. For example, I'm going to be using my thumbnail, which I'm going to use later here. You see, it magically has been removed. It's very easy, really. Now, from here, you can download this image that has been removed from its background, or you can simply click on the Open in Editor, whichever you prefer. In my case, I'm going to open that. And once it's uploaded, now you can, of course, go to the media section. You can upload a lot of elements you can put in so that the image has going to be the main focus of the design. For example, I'm going to add maybe a couple of like a video here. All right. Another video here. Or maybe this one right here. Let's delete that. We're going to use the timestamp right here. Gonna put it at the back, basically, and then add another, this one. I'm gonna send it all the way to the back, right? So it's very easy. Now, once it's placed, you might want to click on play to check if the elements have been placed together, right? It's very easy. Now, if you want to add another photo here, for example, you wanted to add this lady right here. And if you want to remove the background of this image because you want to add it here, all I'm going to do is click the remove background button. And there you go. Magically, the image will be removed from its background. And of course, from here, you can reduce the opacity, making an overlay effect. Click on play button, and that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.